What if I told you there's one small financial choice you could make, maybe even today, that would totally transform your future? I'm not talking about some risky bet or a flashy new trend. I'm talking about a quiet, almost invisible force that you can put to work, multiplying your money for you day in and day out. I want you to picture this. You're at the top of a huge, snowy hill, and you're holding a tiny little snowball. You give it one little push. At first, it just rolls, picking up a few flakes here and there, getting just a little bit bigger. That quiet chain reaction, that right there is compounding. And today, we're going to figure out exactly how big that snowball needs to be to turn into a full-blown avalanche. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Financial Exit. Here, we take these big, complex money topics and we break them down into simple, actionable steps. In this explainer, we're going to uncover the exact amount of money you need for compounding to stop feeling, well, slow and theoretical, and to finally become this explosive force in your life. This is the real minimum that changes absolutely everything. All right, so before I just give you the magic number, we really need to clear away some of the fog around what compounding actually is. See, most people think they get it, but they often miss where its true power lies. You know, so many people think compounding is this super complex thing locked away in a math textbook, or that it's some secret handshake only the super rich know. But the truth? It's the complete opposite. Compounding is simple, it's patient, it just grows, quietly in the background. Honestly, the hardest part isn't understanding it. The hardest part is just trusting it long enough to let it do its thing. Think about it. The internet is screaming at you about side hustles, crypto, real estate. And those things can work, sure, but they demand your constant attention, your stress, your time. Compounding is different. It's your silent partner. It's not going to call you at midnight with a problem. It works for you even on the days you don't feel like working at all. Okay, so if it's not about having a huge pile of cash or being some kind of stock-picking genius, what's the secret sauce? What's the most important ingredient for this unstoppable snowball? It's time. Seriously, that's it. Time. Just giving your money more time to work dramatically reduces the financial pressure on you. It's the one thing you have the most control over, and believe me, it's the one that makes the biggest difference. But listen, this is absolutely critical. This whole machine only works if you let it run. Every single time you panic and sell during a market dip or pull money out too early, you're not just stopping the snowball, you're actually making it shrink. The number one rule is you have to let the process work, uninterrupted. Keep your hands off. All right, to really see how powerful this is, let's do a little reverse engineering. Let's pick a big round number, $1 million. How does the compounding machine actually get you there? Okay, let's just assume an 8% annual return, which is pretty close to the historical stock market average. To hit $1 million in 20 years, you'd need to start with about $241,000, which, yeah, that feels like a lot, but watch this. What happens if you just add 10 more years? To get to that same million in 30 years, you only need about $100,000 to start. You literally cut the starting amount by more than half just by adding time. And check this out. Because the rate of return changes the whole game too. To get to that $1 million in 30 years, you'd need almost $300,000 if you're only getting a 4% return. But with a 10% return, which is totally possible with some broad index funds, you only need $57,000. A few percentage points can literally save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's crazy. So you might be thinking, okay, so the minimum is like $57,000. Well, not exactly. The real minimum we're looking for today is something different. It's not just a number on a spreadsheet. It's a psychological turning point. It's the moment your money's growth becomes so real, so tangible, that it changes how you think about wealth forever. Let me put it this way. At a 6% return, $10,000 earns you $600 a year. I mean, it's nice, right? But it's not going to change your life. $50,000 gets you $3,000 a year. Better, but it still doesn't feel like that snowball is really rolling on its own yet. But then, something happens. $100,000. That's the number. This is the point where the math, and more importantly, the feeling, completely changes. This, my friends, is what we call the activation point. It's not your final goal, it's the switch. It's the moment the compounding engine goes from this slow, quiet crawl to a powerful, undeniable roar. At this point, your money is now making real, meaningful money all by itself. Okay, I can hear you now. $100,000, that feels like a mountain. But trust me, the path to get there is way simpler than you might think. Let's break down how a totally normal person, with a consistent plan, can build their way to this activation point. Look at how this breaks down. The timeline is surprisingly doable. If you can put away $850 a month, you'll hit that point in just 8 years. If $500 a month is more your speed, you're there in under 12. Even at $250 a month, the goal is reachable. See, it's not an overnight thing, but this is a concrete, achievable plan. And here's how you do it. It just comes down to 3 simple, powerful moves. 1, automate your savings. Make that money disappear from your checking account the second you get paid. 2, find a way to increase your income, even just a little, using skills you already have. And 3, cut those invisible expenses. The forgotten subscriptions and mindless spending that just drains your account. When you do these 3 things together, that creates its own powerful snowball effect. And this is where the real magic kicks in. Once you cross that $100,000 threshold, something incredible happens. Your investments start adding more money to your account each year than most people can physically save through their own effort. Your money is literally working harder than you are. The heavy lifting starts to happen all on its own. And you know what's funny? You'll look back and realize something. The hardest part of the journey wasn't actually saving the money. The hardest part was just having faith that the process would work before you could really see the proof. But the moment you cross that activation line, the proof is undeniable. You can see it, you can feel it, and it changes everything. So there it is. The minimum that changes everything is $100,000. It's the point where your money takes on a life of its own. It's reachable, it's powerful, and it's waiting for you. So the only question left is, are you ready to flip the switch? Hey, if this explainer helped you see your financial future in a new light, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to The Financial Exit for more simple guides just like this one, and share it with someone you know who's ready to start their own journey. And of course, just a quick reminder, I am not a financial advisor. This explainer is for educational and informational purposes only. Every financial decision you make is yours and yours alone. Thanks so much for watching.